Hey, beautiful people. Crystal here from Elite Hair Care USA. So, today I had to come in and really clean up my salon. I am just like you guys, and I'm busy, 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 busy. And I am also a product hoarder of my own products, and clearly my back bar is disgusting. So, I said, you know what? I went into work 2 hours early and said it was time to clean up. So I started off by, of course, washing my towels, getting those in the wash because I needed to start my day. And I started burning our smoke odor eliminator candle, which is from flamesup.net. This one is in the scent of pina colada. So I started burning that from early. I like my room to smell really, really good. I'm big on that. And then I also like to use plugins as well. So first things first, I started off by cleaning up my sink area. And of course, with COVID among us, I did want to make sure that I bleached down all of my handles and wiped down everything with Clorox bleach wipes rather than my usual just towel and water. I just wanted to make sure that I kind of just disinfected at the same time because I haven't actually gone through and just like did an entire clean over the salon since sometime last year when COVID was among us again. And I said, you know what? I definitely need to make sure that I go through and disinfect everything all over again. So I'm human just like you guys. Okay. Okay. So my hand washing area slash my color area, they love white in this salon. So a lot of people, when they see my salon, they're like, oh my God, I thought it was way bigger than that. I am in a salon suite, you guys. I'm in a room all by myself. I like to protect my own energy. I've had, well, I actually owned a 6-chair salon in previous years, and it just was not my passion. So I said, you know what, I'm just going to be in the salon suites. I like to be amongst my own space. But I am hiring a commission based stylist that will work on the days that I am not at the work and be able to service some of my elite hair care clients so that you guys are able to get appointments a lot faster. Of course, and that person will be under my training. But anyway, so my back bar area. For those of you who also have product hoarding syndrome of elite hair care products, you definitely want to do what I'm doing right now. So what I did is I went through and I just poured out anything that was somewhat empty. I also threw out whatever items were all somewhat empty or whatever I didn't use anymore and put them in the garbage. On my station, as you guys can tell, I had even more product up there. And I went through and whatever was empty, I threw it out. Whatever I don't use on the regular, I put it away. Whatever I used the most stayed right in front of me. And then, of course, I cleaned my mirror. When you, as a stylist, a dirty mirror doesn't make any sense, okay? Your clients need to see themselves. So I also went through and I moved my little storage area in the corner there. And oh my gosh, I think I had like 17 clients worth of hair over there from blow drying the hair out of the way. And it just kind of gets trapped everywhere. Hair is something that can go any and everywhere. I go home with hair. It's in my purse. It's everywhere. So it's not uncommon for hair to be in places that it really shouldn't be. And then I did go through and start wiping down the dryers with a bleach wipe and just kind of clean those areas up. So I forgot to film the end of the video where you guys got to see everything clean, but it did come out very, very nice. My room was very light and airy. I feel really, really good. And I just want to tell you guys I love you guys and thanks so much for watching.